Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying physical routing and device sample rates. This prevents wasted software changes. First, confirm console to Elgato in, Elgato OUT to display. Then, set the console and PC audio to 48000HZ and stereo to match capture hardware. If you use a headset amplifier or mixer, temporarily bypass it to isolate the capture chain. Once done, record a quick test clip so you can compare changes. Make sure to label which device you change so you can revert settings if needed. Now you focus on capture software and driver behavior because most delays come from mismatched buffers and exclusive modes. Update drivers and game capture, then select Elgato HD60X as the audio input. Disable exclusive mode in Windows sound properties so other apps can share the device. If you use a DAW or OBS, reduce buffer size cautiously, and alternatively apply a 100 to 200 millisecond offset in the capture software to manually align audio. Keep testing short clips after each change to measure impact. Finish by creating a frame-accurate reference. Clap in view or use a sharp visual cue, then nudge audio by milliseconds in your editor until lip sync is perfect. If problems remain, isolate the fault by feeding HDMI directly to a second PC or using a loopback cable to see if the Elgato or the console causes delay. Make sure to test HDMI versus optical audio paths because switching paths often fixes stubborn lag. If nothing helps, reboot devices, try a different USB port, then retry these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.